at peace in her natural habitat. Yes, chat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. And today we're going on a road trip with some of my friends. Yes, I'm a friend. And we're going to Strawberry Field in St. Mary. I'm sure you don't miss that, so come with me and let's go on the trip. Early in the morning, I'm gonna need to get this bottle rolling because I'm gonna leave with it. I'm never supposed to catch because I really don't want them to beat me. So come friend.
Alright, so guys, we stop at Manor Park and everybody I look some chaser to buy. And you know, nobody, it's a one person. And we just lay a snap and I look and I look and I look. So, and I met a new person. Say hi to the vlog. What did he say that? So guys, we just there. Oh, this is cranberry and fever. You must be 18 years and older. Please drink responsibly. But anyways, guys, yeah. So when we go back in the house or reach somewhere else, I'll get back to y'all. And I'm out. So guys, this is a friend who invited me. First time, say hi to the camera. Hello. Look who I'm by. From last night in determined say I'm gonna buy the songsters. If you never buy this, what you call it? Sanchez. We call it Sanchez. Bright why not call it Sanchez? Me dear. First time, what you say name?
It's Sanchez.
One big back class.
I standard man.
Don't make me laugh after you, yeah, man. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Don't laugh after you. Oh, you want one bottle of Sanchez. Guys, you should go and buy a bottle of Sanchez at Hilo. How much a bottle of Sanchez?
No chicken.
Sure. Yes, $3,000 for a big bottle of Sanchez. That's crazy. A songsters here, 3,000. Don't fall up person. Can't carry him money either. No money, I'm just a spend. Man living him life. Live.
That's what you should. My weird self, really, I would pull something like that.
Just pull it. She did it, guys.
I was literally fighting with it.
Bro.
I don't know why.
I think this have a buzz. I'm gonna try this again. At the first me I drink it. Like as a chaser.
What?
Me never really I always drink fever by itself.
Oh.
So it actually have a different taste with the cranberry. Or probably just me young.
That's fine.
I'm out again.
You must be 18 years and older. Please drink responsibly. Guys, I'm not being careless. I know people watch and said it so forth and so forth. But it's just my first time and I tried it and I was okay. It was strong, but I was okay. I never turned over, I never beef, tipsy or whatever. It was just a vibe. Alright.
Oh my god, guys. I think that's enough. I'll show you all again.
Alright, person, you know you pay take one, person who now collect it. Alright, so let's take.
Guys, we reach
Strawberry Fields active.
very much active. When you see the picture, guys, the picture them name. Thanks to
Photographer.
Kurtem and Blake. She took some of the photos too. Plot that
So guys, it was fried chicken, rice and peas, and barbecue chicken with cucumber. Yeah, that's what I had for lunch.
Yes, guys. We are out. So guys, we're up on the beach side. First time, come here. Come nice, huh? Come nice. How much time? Minute. You have to teach.
Huh?
How much time you have to teach? Yeah, may I try?
20 yet.
I'm still like.
And it still resist.
Guys, I'm afraid of water. I need to come on beach. Can you imagine? How do you feel about the water?
Cool. Bad. No.
Guys, it's not
Water
so
is
bad.
the way.
Bro, me a fish.
Actually, it's vital.
Guys, it's not bad. The water, cheap, yeah.
The sand Pringle. One more than one.
Yeah, the water.
Like Pringles.
One night water. So guys, the water narrow. Basically, it's clean and it's really nice, like guys, to look. Bro, leave it. It's done.
Yes.
Anyways, guys, so my dear friend here has taught me how to float.
Yeah.
So we are gonna see actually learn. Ready for it? What is it?
Bro, don't trust me with him phone. That's crazy. Go, Gabby! You can do it! Guys, Gabby is floating! She's at peace in her natural habitat. Yes, chat.
Guys, so we don't know how that takes up. Waiting for a time, how was that?
You're getting it.
So yes guys, I take a breath out of water because I feel like say that's enough. Oh, I saw little fishes too guys. I'm gonna go underwater.
Underwater.
Stop it. Anyways, yes guys, may I freeze. I might get some to eat. I'm soon come back. Bye. So anyways guys, everybody pack up with a strawberry field. Like what I said, it was a vibe. You guys need to check it out. And now we're here at Castleton. This is our first food stop before we continue our journey back to Kingston. So we stop to buy soup and next when we reach Manor Park. Yeah, when we reach Manor Park we buy Burger King or whatever them want. I'm not really hungry, chat, make me eat. I consumed a lot. But make sure say you did enjoy the video and y'all had a blast. And make sure say you tell a friend, like, comment, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next video. And